Hello dear fans. What are neologisms? Neologisms are the names of objects, concepts and phenomena that have not yet had names in the language. Already existing words can acquire a new name. Neologisms supplement common vocabulary. Some of them go out of active use and become historicisms. Writers and poets often create their own words to add meaning to their works. Instructions. Step 1. The socio-political and cultural life of the state actively affects the change in the vocabulary. New words are the result of the appearance of previously unfamiliar concepts and phenomena. Such words have different fates. Some of them eventually become fixed in the active composition of the vocabulary of the Russian language, others are not recognized or are quickly forgotten. Step 2. The term neologisms in the history of the language is used to characterize vocabulary enriched with new words at certain periods of historical development. For example, we can talk about neologisms of the Peter the Great era, the period of the Great Patriotic War and others. Each generation of Russian residents feels the novelty of certain words. Step 3. The vocabulary of our language is replenished in different ways. The vocabulary update can occur directly with the help of the emergence of new words. The old vocabulary develops new meanings. For example, savage, now we call a person who has a rest without a voucher, a gold medal, gold, and so on. Step 4. A huge number of neologisms appeared in the Russian language, thanks to borrowings. Words from Western European languages came to us back in the era of Peter I. Among them there are many French, minister, officer, president, ballet, séance, hood, sofa, tablet, some Italian, vermicelli, opera, Polish, pâté, holidays, pension. The Dutch words, pilot, dam, shipyard, were added to the marine theme. The neologisms reflect the Americanization of Russian life, inflation, dollar, shorts, jeans, cracker. Step 5. The different functioning of neologisms in speech allows them to be divided into separate groups. Lexical ones are borrowed or created according to accepted word models, special forces, federal, signatory. Semantic ones appear by acquiring new meanings from previously known words. For example, communication among friends is called a get-together, and shuttle traders are called small traders of imported goods. There are fewer semantic neologisms than lexical ones, some of them have a bright, expressive coloring, cool. Step 6. The conditions for creating neologisms serve to divide them into anonymous, not associated with the name of the creator, and individually authors. The first group is represented much wider. A lot of authors' words are found, for example, in the works of the poet V.V. Mayakovsky. Step 7. Linguists divide neologisms into nominative, directly naming concepts, and stylistic, giving a figurative characterization of an object that already has a name. Nominative ones appear in connection with the constant need for the development of technology and science, among them a large number of highly specialized terms. A permanent positive or negative coloration is characteristic of stylistic neologisms formed from the names of already known concepts. Perestroika gave rise to a sufficient number of words. For example, Soviet citizens began to be called shovels, films exposures, Chernuka, illegal privatization of enterprises, grabbing. Step 8. Neologisms should be used correctly in speech. When creating them, it is necessary to follow the literary language norms. Neologisms do not meet the requirements of a violation of the euphony of speech, its aesthetics. Usually they repeat already known words, they are not necessary. Neologisms representing puns and cacophony can only be used in the context of irony or satire, for example, when writing feuilletons. Step 9. In the history of the Russian language, there were people who fought for the purity of speech, offering to replace other people's words with native Russian. But these attempts did not bring significant results. Thanks for watching.